Yeah, he's close.
Gotcha. Oh, got me.
Before we continue the video, I want to tell you about my website, theairsoftclub.com. What's that, you might ask? Well, it's the best shit since sliced bread. When you join the club for only $12.95 a month, you get automatically entered into airsoft giveaways every single week. In the first month alone, I've given away an ENL AK, a KDB MP9, and I just gave away last Friday a beginner bundle that came with a gas blowback M9, a tri-shot shotgun, and an ASG Spring sniper rifle. And then this week on Friday, I'm giving away a $1,000 custom skeleton DSG M4. I also have exclusive videos on there, exclusive chat room, and free patches and stickers when you sign up. So go check it out. It'll be the first link down in the description below. Now back to the video.
No. 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 Well done, dude. I got caught in the head.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
That was
I'm sorry.
We were getting freaking mauled.
I knew you were coming, I just didn't know.
There was 20 of us. We were the last two survivors.
Oh, ready?
Yep, go.
Hey, dude. Stand by, check this out. Move it, get in there. Hey, you got me, nice shot. That thing was loud. That guy was so pissed.
Dude, that guy was mad.
Dude, that was the first time I used that tagging thing. That thing's loud as shit. Stand by, check this out.
One more time for the boys.
Yeah, boy.
I'm sorry. Oh, you got me, nice shot. Sorry about that.
Was that a grenade?
It was a... it's like the master mic.
Oof, why though?
We're gonna go into that.
That's friendly in there.
Okay.
man. Okay, okay. Right there.
I got you.
You guys have 502.
They're running across, they're running across!
Go around the corner.
Around the right corner, let's go.
You got me. Dead man. Good. Alright. Was he inside this door?
Yeah, he was in this building right on the other side. They're in this building here.
Oh. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Here!
Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. All of the footage is provided by Chess Airsoft. All their stuff is linked in the description below. Make sure to go check out my club. I give away guns every single week on the airsoftclub.com. That will be the first link in the description below. Make sure to like the video and share with your friends if you enjoyed. That is greatly appreciated. And subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.